Fishing gear can get expensive, but your fishing sunglasses don't have to be. If you've been looking for a great pair of shades for your next outing that don't break the bank, stay tuned, because today's video is the guide to the best fishing shades under $100 and some that are even under 50. Hey everyone, I'm Eric, and this is the destination on YouTube for all things optical, sunglasses, and lens technology. Now the Fuse team is based in sunny Florida, where water is everywhere and fishing is always in season. A lot of name brand fishing sunglasses can run you well over $200 to $300. So the ones you'll learn about today are our favorite high quality and affordable alternatives. Now if you fish, you probably know that polarized lenses are necessary for blocking out glare in the water so you can see through the water and catch more fish. With that in mind, all the sunnies that I'll be talking about today are polarized, and some of them offer other cool features too. So let's jump right into it. First on our list for sunglasses under $100 are all polarized fishing sunglasses by Pelagic Fishing Gear. At $99, they have super cool frame options in their Mack, Fish Taco, Pursuit, Eastcape, and Shark Bite models. Many of their models even have some pretty super unique patterns. Most models come with polycarbonate polarized lenses, and only some of Pelagic frames offer their trademarked polarized mineral glass lenses. Their mineral glass sunglasses are nearly double the cost of their polarized polycarbonate lenses, sitting pretty at $179. So if you want to stay under $100, make sure to stick with standard polycarbonate polarized lenses. Our next pick for fishing sunglasses is the Deep Sea Manta line by Shady Rheos. They're standard square frame that come in black, tortoise, and smoke, which you can customize with different polarized lenses. For example, their black frames have the option of emerald, blackout, and glacier lenses. Their tortoise frame also offers amber lenses, and smoke has matching smoke lenses. All of them are polarized, and all of them are $98. Another great brand is Rheos Nautical Eyewear. They have a variety of sunglasses that, get this, float in the water. All of them are resistant to saltwater damage too. And all of them are only $65 to $78. And if you want to learn more about how saltwater can damage your sunglasses, check out our video, How to Protect Your Sunglasses and Lenses from the Effects of Saltwater, which is in the description below. And comment below if you've ever lost your sunglasses in the water. Rheos sells a lot of fashion sunglasses too. But for fishing, our picks are the Rheos Eddies and the Coopers. The Eddies are a standard square frame, while the Coopers have a keyhole bridge that distributes weight more evenly on the face. And they even offer a narrow version for smaller faces. Now, all of their frames have different polarized lens options. And did I mention that they float? Yeah, I guess I did. Now, for a little shameless plug. At Fuse Lenses, we have a line of sports shades called the Anclote. They come in 3 different colors, but our favorite is aptly named Sand. You know, because the beach, sand, fishing? So our Anclote frames are designed with rubberized nose pads and inner arm grips, plus flexible hinges that bounce back. And that means that they can fit perfectly to anyone's face and hold up to a long day of fishing and sweating out in the sun. Anclote starts at only $54, and you can customize them with any of our 20+ lens options. And more on our polarized and color enhancing lenses in a minute. Next, we have the $58 Fuse Egmont and Egmont XL, which are also made with rubberized nose pads that stand up to sweat and endure long days out on the water. They're one of our most popular sports options, but they have a classic feel that makes them great for everyday wear at the same time. Now they come in matte and gloss black, black with a thin red line, and matte black tortoise fade. No sand, but we still love them. Now our last pair, under $100, is the Fuse Lido, which starts at $54 and is reminiscent of the Rheos Eddies. The Lidos are a great unisex shade that are so lightweight, you might even forget you're wearing them. Now, if you buy any Fuse frames, you can customize your lenses with 24 different options, from polarized to polarized mirrored, and even polarized color enhancing lenses. And in a minute, I'll touch on our replacement lenses for, spoiler alert, any brand and style of frame on the market. We have tons of videos on our lens and frame options, so subscribe and explore our channel. All right, now on to some even cheaper sunglasses. Just squeezing into the under $50 range are the Mermaid, Beachcomber, and Cutthroat polarized sunglasses by Peppers. They start at $49.99, and they all have different polarized lens colors across all the styles. So for example, their Mermaid line has fun polarized lens colors like pink, purple, and blue, while the Cutthroat comes in some more cutthroat, I guess, lens colors like black, brown, green, and smoke. Cutthroat also offers a wider range of frame designs like green and gray stripes and tortoiseshell. And bonus point, their sunglasses float too. So the last affordable pair is the $44 Fuse Lenses 3 Rooker. They have a keyhole bridge, which is similar to the Rheos Coopers, which means a more comfortable all-day fit. They come in black, tortoise, and clear, and are customizable with all the lens options that I mentioned before. Now, one of the most popular ways to customize Fuse shades for fishing is by adding our new Fuse Amp color enhancing and polarized lenses that come in 4 different colors. Amp Gray and Amp Carbon are both perfect for offshore fishing, while Amp Glacier is the ideal match for inshore fishing, especially on a bright sunny day. Now, you can learn more about Amp in our video, Color Enhancing Lenses 101, linked in the description below. If you already have a pair of frames that you love, or you decide to go with one of the other brands on this list, but you want different lenses for them, Fuse has got your back and your eyes. No matter which frame style you buy, Fuse offers additional lens options and lens replacements, so you don't need to spend extra money upgrading if you don't want to. One of the downfalls of the other brands I mentioned is that they don't do prescription or replacement lenses, and only Shady Rays Deep Sea is color enhancing. So let's just say you do a lot of inshore fishing, and the Fuse Amp Glacier lens sounds good to you, but you want a cool, unique design from Pelagic. Just order replacement lenses from Fuse for your Pelagic shades, and you get the best of both worlds. Check out our How Fuse Lenses Works video to learn how to order replacement lenses for any brand. Fishing season is in season, which means it's the perfect time to go to fuselenses.com/YouTube and build your ideal pair of shades that will protect your eyes and improve your fishing experience at the same time. Now that you know your options for affordable fishing shades, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos on sunglasses, lenses, and vision. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.